So what can you get for less than $400,000 in Mays Landing, New Jersey on 4.75 acres? We're going to talk about that right now with the listing agent, Marcy Kurz.
Hi, I'm Marcy Kurz. Welcome to 6248 Spruce Street. We have 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths.
2,290 square feet. Want to go in? We'll take a look at it?
Yeah, let's take a look.
We have this gorgeous kitchen here with granite countertops.
Gorgeous.
And what else does it have in here?
Updated kitchen within the last 2.5 years, an upgraded stainless steel appliance package. This is your living room upstairs. You have your family room. You have an area for seating. You have another area back here.
Coming out, who doesn't love the walkout?
You're looking for an in-ground pool, a garden, plenty of space.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
If you're looking for a peaceful way of life, this is the home for you.
As always, Marcy Kurz and Joe Wiessner, we want to see you at the settlement table.